Here at Hitachi, we've listened to your needs and adopted fresh ideas in creating our new range of mini excavators. The Hitachi Zaxis -5 mini excavator series takes on numerous features, adding value, efficiency and productivity. Operator comfort was a key design deliverable in the new range of Hitachi Zaxis -5 mini excavators. Inside the cab you'll find a large windscreen for better visibility of the workspace, a spacious cabin with wide seat which has been designed ergonomically for operator comfort, an 80mm increase in the cab door width and a 55mm lower footstep for easy access, adjustable armrests, drink holder and seat back box all enhance operator comfort, and an anti-theft deterrent system prevents unauthorized operation. The new 3.6-inch multi-function monitor is bright, informative and easy to read, displaying machine status settings and warnings including fuel and temperature gauges, engine and temperature warning indicators, work and travel mode indicators. The monitor unit also allows selection of the most suitable work mode and control of the auto idle feature. The rugged cab, designed in accordance with international ROP standards, will protect the operator in case of tipping, and all models are equipped with an OPG top guard to protect against falling objects. A seatbelt, pilot control shut-off lever, swing parking brake and travel parking brake are all standard features, further enhancing the strong emphasis on operator safety. With value-adding features like these, you can be sure of total operator comfort in the new range of Hitachi Zaxis -5 mini excavators.